Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you need to engage your team members more effectively, but you're not sure how to get started. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video so that you can get 100 more tips that you can use immediately. Today's tip is to catch your employees doing their job well. After a program, one of the participants approached me and said, when I do something wrong, I get recognized 100% of the time. But when I do something well, I rarely get noticed. Marshal Asada observed teams working together in developing strategic plans. The ratio of positive to negative expressions was 6-to-1 for high-performing teams, 3-to-1 for average teams, which is barely surviving, and 0.3-to-1 for low-performing teams. In other words, low-performing team members hear 3 times as many negatives as positives. It's a reminder of the old saying, the beatings will continue until morale improves. It doesn't work. So how do you do it? When you see an employee doing something well, give them a brief, detailed acknowledgement as to why it matters to you and your organization. Encourage peer-to-peer recognition. Make it fun to give credit to each other. And finally, stop trying to fix what's broken. Focus on what your employees' strengths are and help them to do the things that they do well more often. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, to get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement, click on the link in the description below. See you on the site.